Boggle the Bobcat Cheetos your presentation. Hey, I'm Bobcat here. Don't be ridiculous. You just can't by just trying just alright. Remember I was gonna just put on the person and you go prime just do hand mimic bro phone this is done and this guy somehow with friend just tell for you someone to get halfway in this up right. It's your price she can just buy or likes buy so much just it's a price Cheetos balls. I just smell delicious burner. So I was thinking, if I was a price of one, it would just I wish I could know about when I just know it how about when I say oh, I got it. I gonna run this. Hey, can you do it around this moment, please? We gotta have your Meredith. Oh, well. Well, it's not easy. It's all about say Cheetos likes it cheesy. Cheetos on your balls, I you just doing. It's just, you know how to, huh? Crunch.